converting it from AC to DC.
Yeah, but you're still grounded at the same outlet.
Yeah, that's a thought there, J-Bird. We're plugged into the electric, but we're running DC to run these mobile radios, so what if it's still vital?
You run DC to run these radios, and I'm talking these base stations. They got the dualoys in them to divert it back to 12 volt.
Yeah. It may not come through all that, you know.
It might not, because yeah, these big black radios, they're actually DC radios. They're just got a power pack in them like you got on the outside of your radio.
Yeah, it'll probably be so minute, it probably won't be real strong. It probably won't take a lot of current to run it. It'll be something, you know, and it might even run off the static electricity in those big power lines too, you know. It may run, you know what I mean, the static that's generated off them lines.
Right, I'd like to see it all hooked up and see how they run things, just to get a better idea of it. I do learn a lot. I learn by visual looking, really.
What do they call that again, Eagle?
BPL, broadband over power lines is what it is.
Well, I gotta turn the light on. Yeah, never mind, I got it on. I'm okay.
Jay Bird, I still don't think you understand it if you looked at it.
Yeah, well, I'm smart.
Yeah.
If they do it early in the morning, I'm not popped up on no medicine or anything, then I'll get it. But if they get here late, I won't get it.
Like right now?
You what?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
So when they make an appointment with me, I say, you got to do it for this time before I take my pills. I want to understand what you're doing.
You gonna tell them talk slow to you too?
I sure am. I wanted to explain in layman's terms.
$10-4.
I imagine when they do that, and they've run into problems with it already, by the time they get it all straightened out and everything, it won't mess with radio or nothing.
Oh, probably not. They'll have to get it worked out. It'll be a lot of pissed off people.